there you are, babe. I've been looking everywhere for you.
Uh, excuse me?
Oh, sorry. I should introduce myself. I'm her boyfriend.
Uh, yeah, right. That's my boyfriend.
Boyfriend? You're telling me you've had a boyfriend this whole time?
Well, surprise?
Unbelievable. What a waste of time.
Hey, are you okay?
Oh my God. That was terrifying. I don't even know what to say. Thank you. Seriously. That guy just wouldn't take a hint.
No problem. He was way out of line.
Wait. You.
Me?
You're the guy from the train.
Huh. Small world.
Wait a second. Did I just hear that right? You have a girlfriend?
Oh. Cindy, I can explain.
Oh, please. You sat through an entire date with me and never once mentioned a girlfriend.
It's not like that.
Oh no, it's exactly like that. I can't believe this. Do you know how embarrassing this is for me?
Cindy, just listen for a second.
No way. You think I'm just gonna stand here and listen to more of your lies? You know what? I should just tell your mom about this.
Cindy, please, don't.
Oh, I will. She deserves to know her son is out here lying to innocent women.
Great. Just great.
You should probably talk to her later.
Yeah. I know. I didn't mean to just ignore her. Everything just happened so fast.
I get it. But from her perspective, it must have looked really bad.
Yeah. I'll reach out to her later. I owe her an explanation.
Hey, I'm really sorry about all this.
Huh? What do you mean?
I mean, I totally ruined your date. You were just minding your own business. And then, bam! Suddenly, you're my fake boyfriend. That's not fair to you.
Well, when you put it that way. Yeah, it does sound kinda bad.
I really do feel bad about it. But thank you. Really. I don't even want to think about how that dinner would have ended if you hadn't stepped in.
Well, I wasn't just gonna sit there and let that guy keep pushing you.
Either way, I owe you one.
Oh? So does that mean I get a free pass to ruin your next date?
Let's just say, I'll find a way to make it up to you.
Well, here we are. Safe and sound.
Yeah, thanks for walking me back. You really didn't have to, you know.
Well, after the night you just had, I figured I'd at least make sure you got home in one piece.
Yeah. Tonight was definitely something. So, I was thinking.
Oh? About what?
About how I technically owe you for saving me tonight.
Huh. And here I thought you were just gonna pretend that never happened.
Hey! I'm not that kind of person. Anyway, I was thinking. How about I make it up to you with dessert?
Bribing me with sugar. Not a bad strategy.
It's not a bribe. It's a thank you.
All right, deal. But just so you know, I have high dessert standards.
Oh, please. You'll eat whatever I order and like it.
Fine, fine. Just text me when you pick a place.
Will do. Now, go home before your mom starts calling you next.
See you soon, fake girlfriend.
Dean, stop right there. Mrs. Miller, your son is a liar. He has a girlfriend and still came to meet me. I'm so disappointed.
Mom, it's not what you think.
Oh, really? Then please, enlighten me.
It's just a misunderstanding. That's all.
A misunderstanding? Cindy was practically in tears. She called me 4 times, Dean. 4.
I'll call her and apologize. Don't worry about it.
Wait a minute. You're just gonna walk away?
Love you, Mom. Good night.
Wait. Hold on. Did she just say, girlfriend?
Ah, that's an interesting choice of words.
A misunderstanding, huh? And he just ran off like that?
Well, at least he didn't say no.
A misunderstanding with a girl. Who is she?
Guess we'll find out soon enough.
Hey, survived the interrogation?
Barely. Let's just say my mom is now on high alert.
Yikes. I feel partially responsible.
Oh, you definitely do.
Okay, but in my defense, my night wasn't great either.
Oh? Do tell.
Turns out my date was never supposed to be with that guy.
What?
My mom's friend mixed things up. That guy was actually meant to meet my aunt's friend.
So you suffered for nothing.
Exactly. And guess what? My mom still wants to set up another one.
You poor thing.
Tell me about it.
So, what about that dessert you owe me?
How about tomorrow afternoon?
Sounds like a plan.
Okay. What's going on? You've been staring at yourself for like 10 minutes.
What? No, I haven't.
Oh, you totally have. And let's not forget the fact that you actually put on makeup today.
So? I just felt like looking nice.
Uh-huh. And this sudden need to look nice has nothing to do with a certain someone?
It's just dessert with a friend.
Just dessert? Oh, my poor innocent sister. You do realize that just dessert is basically one step away from a date, right?
It's not a date.
Right. And that's why you're debating between two nearly identical shades of lipstick?
Shut up.
So, you like him?
I don't know.
But you do care about what he thinks of you.
Why are you like this?
Because I love you.
It's just dessert, right?
Dude, pass me the health pack. I'm literally dying here.
Yeah. Hold on.
Oh! No! Don't let me! Ah! Unbelievable. Betrayed by my own best friend.
Maybe you just need to get better.
Anyway, a bunch of us are going to karaoke later. You in?
Nah, can't.
Oh, come on. You just turned down karaoke. Who are you, and what have you done with Dean?
What? Can't a guy have plans?
Plans, huh? What kind of plans?
Just plans.
No way. Do you have a date?
What? No.
Uh-huh. Sure. You're totally not acting weird or anything.
Is this too much? I mean, it's just dessert, not a business meeting. Actually, it's not that bad. Yeah, not too formal, not too casual. This works. Well, not that it matters.
Too much? I mean, I always tie my hair up. Will he even notice the difference? Maybe I should just tie it back. But then, why did I spend 20 minutes curling it? Whatever. It's just dessert. It's not a date.
All right. It's just dessert. Nothing more. Yeah, except last time I went on a date. I ended up pretending to be someone's boyfriend. No. Stop overthinking. Just go, eat, talk, and don't be weird. Do I look like I'm trying too hard? Whatever. Too late to change now. Let's do this.
Hi, I'm Emma. And I'm here to help you improve your English conversation skills. If you want to practice more English dialogues, remember to subscribe to my channel.